Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I made a video, and I wanted to do kind of a cool unboxing video, if you will. I got a new toy, and I was at a local gun shop and found this shotgun. So I've been looking for a over-under shotgun for grouse hunting and for bird hunting, and so I was kind of looking around. This would be my first over-under, looking at kind of my options, trying to keep it fairly reasonable as far as price is concerned. I don't have the money to buy a Browning Satori or anything like that, so but I stumbled across this shotgun, and it just spoke to me, and I knew that I wanted this shotgun. So I'm going to show you real quick here what I got. So here's the original box that it came in. Now this shotgun was on consignment at the gun shop. It's Charles Daly. Let's see here. Here's all the info on the end of the box there. Now you might be thinking this shotgun looks, this box looks really old, and it definitely is. So open this up. So hopefully this is in the frame. So here's the gun itself, in the original unfired condition. So this gun was purchased in the early 70s, I believe, and the guy who bought it never even took it out of the box. The guy at the gun shop said he was the first one to actually assemble this gun and put the two pieces together. So this gun is completely unfired from the early 70s, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to open this up and show you guys what it looks like all put together. Alright guys, so here it is all put together. So like I said, it's an over-under double barrel shotgun. See, it's unloaded for the safety Nazis out there. So I don't know a ton about this gun yet. I've been learning a few things. So this is a Charles Daly. It was manufactured by, hopefully I pronounce this correctly, Miroku Firearms in Japan. So this is from Kochi, Japan. I'm not exactly sure on the year that it was made. I'm hoping to find out a little bit more. So hopefully you guys can see this in the video, but just absolutely beautiful engraving on here. Again, I don't know a ton about this. I'm assuming that they did all this engraving by hand, but I could be totally wrong. So hopefully you guys can see that, and it's showing up on the video. But the wood stock's in absolutely perfect condition. Everything is, I mean literally this guy just bought this shotgun and then took the box and put it in his closet or wherever he put it. Never even put it together, never fired it. So to me that's really cool. And I'm kind of excited to have a gun this old that's completely unfired, and I get to take it out shooting for the first time. So hopefully this weekend I'm gonna go shoot some grouse with this, because that's my plan, to go grouse hunting up north. So with any luck I'll get at least one with this gun. We'll see. But here's the other side of the gun. So you got the safety selector up here, and then when it's in the safe position you can push it left or right to decide which barrel to fire first, which is pretty common for over-under shotguns. So the checkering on the stock here and on the forend feel fantastic. I mean, it feels like a new gun, and this thing is 40-something years old, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So I'm really excited about this one. I paid $800 for it, which I feel is a pretty fair price. Now, according to my buddy, this Miroku Firearms also made the Browning Satori, and so this is manufactured in the same facility as the Browning Satoris were back in the day, and it's made in Japan. And pretty much anything I've ever come across made in Japan is fantastic craftsmanship. The lockup on this thing is great. It's super smooth. It just feels fantastic, and this gun just absolutely spoke to me when I saw it, and I was like, that's the gun I want. That's the first over-under shotgun that I want to buy. So I'm pretty excited. Like I said, hopefully I'll have some luck grouse hunting this weekend. I'm also going to bring my Benelli, so I've got a backup. But This thing is super sexy. It's very gentlemanly, if you will, very classic, and I think it absolutely fits for my grouse gun. So you guys will probably see it in some upcoming videos. Hopefully I'll take some video of my grouse hunting trip this weekend. I've got some video from last weekend and 3 weeks ago that I still haven't edited together. Most of it's not all that exciting, but hopefully this weekend I'll get some better video. So I'll be putting up a grouse hunting video, and there's also some pretty cool video off-roading in my Subaru Crosstrack, so that's kind of fun too. So you guys will get to see some of that, and I look forward to shooting this thing and showing you guys how it shoots and how well it works. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.